Hi, wanna know how to skip songs on your Sony WF-C700N? So, as a first step, you need to make sure that your earbuds are connected to your phone. And as a next step, we need to just play some song. As a next step, now we would need to find our right earbud because these controls works only on the right one. Here you can see the letter R, which is saying that this earbud is right. And now to skip a song, we would need to double tap on this sensor that you can see at the top part of your earbud. So if we will double tap on it, you can see that the song has been skipped to the next one, and let's try it once more. And now we also got the next song. Now to go to the previous song, we would need to triple tap, and there is also a chance that you may need to triple tap twice because triple tap is usually backing the playback to the start of the song. So let's test it. I'll triple tap. Now we are at the start, and once more triple tap, we are on the previous song. And this is it how it works. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.